guys, welcome back to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I'd like to share how I was able to use Dollar Tree items to make high-end decor. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get started. For the first project, I'll be creating nesting side tables using those plastic bowls, and I'll go ahead and use 15 of them. I started by removing all the labels. Next, I'll go ahead and use A6000 as well as hot glue to glue them together. So the first table will be of 7 balls and the second one will be of 8 balls. If you're here for the first time, it is so good to have you here. Don't forget to hit on that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Using A6000 will allow the balls to stay together for a longer period of time, while the hot glue will just allow them to quickly be held together. The stacking process for both tables, except for the second one, I just added one additional bowl. For the top of the side tables, I'll be using those large party plates, and I'll go ahead and spray them with this gold Rust-Oleum paint. That's how they turn out. And for the second project, we'll be using wind twisters, and I'll go ahead and use 2 different types. We'll also be using those wooden blocks decor as well as some wooden dowel. I'll be using a water cap bottle, and I'll go ahead and use my hot glue to poke a hole where I'll go ahead and stick the wooden dowel and add additional glue to hold it. Doing this will allow me to glue the wooden dowel to the wooden blocks. If you do have something to make a hole on the wooden blocks, this will be totally a lot easier. I didn't use an excess amount of glue to glue them to the wooden blocks. Once the glue dried, I took them out and spray painted them with this Rust-Oleum black paint. I also took the wind twisters out and will spray paint them with gold spray paint. Once they were dried, I took them back inside, and I'll go ahead and glue the wind twisters on the wooden dowel. border stickers that I previously spray painted gold to put around the wooden block. Also be adding some acrylic gems to decorate the wooden block. Just like that, we turned a wind twister into a tabletop high-end decor. And for the last project, I'll be using those tumblers as well as bowl that I got from Walmart for 50 cents each, although not from Dollar Tree per se, but they were pretty inexpensive. I will be gluing the tumbler and a bowl together, and like that I can make two sets. Once the glue dry, I will go ahead and spray paint one black and the second one white. And to decorate them, I'll be using the gold border stickers, and I'll go ahead and glue it all around the rim. Now let's go ahead and take a look into our new high-end decors. I really love how they turn out. They are so beautiful and give that high-end vibe. I'm really happy that I was able to use items from Dollar Tree and turn them into expensive elegant home decors. To know that you can decorate on a budget is definitely a plus when you're trying to personalize your home. I cannot express how much I love how this project turned out. It is so simple yet so elegant and high-end. I hope you guys learned a thing or two from this project. If so, go ahead, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.